Hi, we're at the Enterprise Ireland Startup Showcase 2017 talking to Gareth Flower, the founder of Parkpnp, which is kind of like Airbnb for your parking space.
Parkpnp is the #1 parking app right now in Dublin. What you can do is you can download the app and you can list your parking space for free. You can list it hourly, daily, weekly or monthly. If you have a space in front of your home or if you have a space under your apartment complex, you can do that. We also work with car park operators, so we set them up and they have a nice dashboard on the phone and the computer, and we help them manage their spaces better and advertise to our thousands of drivers around the city.
Great. And today you're here as part of Enterprise Ireland's High Potential Startups cohort. What does it mean to be named a High Potential Startup?
Yeah, so it's fantastic. It's very exciting for us and the team. It's a sort of validation of the year and a half of hard work. We're a team of 13 very talented guys and girls, and it's validation for them as well as myself to just keep pushing. And we have global ambition, so it's a stepping stone to achieve our goal.
And speaking of stepping stones, what has been the journey to get to this point for you guys?
So, it's the same for a lot of people in this room. It's, you start lean, you don't have much money, so you have to build the product, the MVP, you gotta create the vision of the business, and then we went for funding, so that was really difficult. Last year, it took a year to actually complete, but we raised $500,000, and now we're in that stage of we're building out the team, we're building up the development of the product for the official launch around the end of March this year. We're generating revenue, which is great. It was earlier than I expected, and we've already seen listings pop up in 5 cities around Europe. So, with no marketing costs so far. So, very excited for the future, and that's been the story so far.
And looking at the very near future, you've got hopefully a launch coming up in March, maybe a bit of global growth. So what's the immediate plan for 2017?
Yeah, so that's exactly it. We're working with more car park operators right now, and hotel groups like Crown Plaza Hotel Group and Santry, great customer. What we're doing is we're helping them manage their parking flow better. So local businesses using their parking, they know when they're coming in, they know how much the normal payment, the average payments are, and the whole financial transaction much cleaner. Really focusing on making the product perfect right now. Because the problem is if you launch and spend all your money marketing the product, you end up having too many problems, too many unhappy customers. Really focusing the next 3 months on getting that solution perfect, listening to the customer exactly what they want to see before the rollout. So that's where we are now, and building the team. So we're hiring at the moment. We're bringing on salespeople and onboarding specialists, so that's what the immediate plan is, to fix it out, perfect the product, and launch in March.
Enjoy this video? Click here to get the latest news from SiliconRepublic.com and go find us on social media.